Hello! For today's vlog, i-unbox po natin ang LED ring light na in-order ko sa Shopee at kung paano ito i-set up. Stay tuned! Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can also like, comment, and share. Thanks! Itong LED ring light ay nagkakalaga ng 1,099 sa Shopee at Selens official shop ang seller. Ang order ko ay may kalakip na 50 cm stand. Ito na yung 26 cm LED ring light na singlaki ng pinggan. Ito yung phone holder. Ito yung harapan ng ring light. At ito yung likod. Mayroong cable siya na USB. Sige, didikit na natin yung ring light sa kanyang stand. Charan! Ball socket ang kanyang joint, kaya pwede siyang i-adjust or adjustable siya. Ilalagay na natin ang phone holder. Ayan. Ready na ilagay ang ating cellphone mamaya. Itong USB cable ay isasaksak natin sa ating charger adapter. Wait. I have my adapter. Tas, isasaksak natin yung USB cable. At saka isasaksak naman natin sa outlet. May switch pala itong LED ring light natin. At let's turn it on. Boom! Ang liwanag. The switch has 3 buttons para ma-adjust natin yung brightness ng light. Pwede itong i-dim like that. With this, I will give a 5-star rating to Selens official shop because I'm very satisfied in terms of its brightness, lahat-lahat. Hello! Today's level talaga yung vlog natin dito kasi it's very bright already. It's very light. Ang ganda mag-vlog. Lakas maganda yung ring light pala. Klarong-klara yung beauty natin, char! So, more vlogs to come pa. Nagamit itong ring light natin so that it's very bright na sa ating mga videos. Bye!